Welcome to hotsolarwater.com. Today we're going to show you how to connect the Lochinvar extension kit on the LSP 20 Plus commercial solar water heating panel. The extension kit must be connected first before the installation kit. If you have any questions, please click on the links below.
So this is the extension kit. This is the kit that you need to join the panels together, as we've seen on the previous video. The components you get in the kit are 2 clamps, 2 O-rings and 4 fixing screws. The clamps come separated so you can easily push them together and then secure with the screws. And then the O-rings sit on the collector in the recessed part, which then pushes up against the flat face of the other collector. And these O-rings are specially designed to withstand high stagnation temperatures, potentially up to 190 degrees Celsius. Okay, so we've looked at the components that you get in the extension kit. We're now going to use these to join 2 panels together. So as you can see, when you've got the panels on their frame or on the roof, there will be some movement on the frame, so you can slide the panels until you've joined them together. So the first thing you want to do is take one of the O-rings, and if you look, when you've got the panels the correct way, you'll have one side that's got the recess in, and the other panel will have the flat face that joins up against it. So you have to remember to put this O-ring in. So you just push that into the recessed part. I've already done it down at the other end as well. And then what you do is you just slide the panels up together so they join up. Join at the other end. It's actually easy to do this when it's actually on the frame, but you get the idea anyway. Then once they're joined up together, you get your clamp, put it in position, get the other end of the clamp. Then you get your 2 screws. Now, you get a tube of heat paste, and it's recommended that you squirt some of the paste on the thread of the screw. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to open this up, but you would just put some of the paste on there and then put it into your clamp. You just get them up finger tight, then use an Allen key to tighten them fully up. And as you tighten them fully up, of which I'm not going to do because I don't want to ruin the O-ring, but you would tighten them fully on an installation. Do the same down at that end with the other clamp, which I'll quickly do. Remember to put the heat paste on the thread. You would tighten them up with the Allen key, but as you do that it compresses the O-ring into place, and I don't want to do that because I want to be able to remove the O-ring. So if you look now from above, you'll see that the panels are joined together using the clamps, and it is natural to have this small gap in between where you've got the clamps. So now 2 panels are joined together. And the next thing we're going to look at is how we join the flow and return pipework onto the panels.